क्लास फिफ्थ एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज। मैं आर एस प्रसाद आज आप लोगों को चैप्टर 24 लुइस पास्चर कराने जा रहा हूँ। चलिए देखिए, ही वॉज अ ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट। थोड़े इसके पहले मेन पॉइंट्स देख लेते हैं क्या है। So Louis Pasteur was one of the famous scientists. He was born on 27 December 1822 in France. Pasteur conducted experiments for many years and discovered the inoculation to prevent from rabies. If a man happened to be bitten by a mad dog, he not taken for treatment will die. If a dog bites us, then it is necessary to chain and observe the dog for 10 days. And if the dog shows sign of abnormal behavior or falls sick, it should be considered mad. In this case, the person bitten should start taking injections. Nowadays, the domestic dogs are inoculated. If these dogs bite, then it is not necessary to the injections and there is no danger of rabies. ये काट लिया है कुत्ते ने और इसको जो है पहले का ट्रीटमेंट था कि अंगीठी में जलते हुए लोहे के टुकड़े को उस घाव पर लगाया जाता था और वो बेचारा पेशेंट ठीक हो जाता था या नहीं होता था वो बात की बात। लेकिन ये उस टाइम का लोगों का ट्रीटमेंट था। ये है वो लुइस पास्टर जो कुत्ते पर भी बीमार हो गया उसको ठीक करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं और अपने ये इन्वेंशन को देखते हुए हैं। यहाँ पर ये कुत्ते ने डॉग ने जो है काट लिया है, बाइट कर लिया है पर्सन को और ये कुत्ता सिक हो गया है। देखो दिखाई दे रहा है, बिल्कुल मरता जा रहा है। तो मैं डॉग को सिक कर दिया गया इसको। चलते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर पे। फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम अर्ली डे elder people in what other ways were people bitten by a mad dog treated right about it? So answer है in various way people bitten by a mad dog treated previously. First time the place where dog had bitten was burned by using a hot iron rod. Second, some people used to put acid on the place where dog had bitten. Bitten है मतलब many people use superstitious methods to cure rabies. Next question है what do you do if a mad dog bites a person? Find out. So answer if a mad dog bites a person we take him to the hospital and make him take injections. Some people also use superstitious methods. What are the symptoms found in a person bitten by a mad dog? Answer है इसका the patient experiences headache and talks too much. His thirst for water grows rapidly. He wants to drink water but cannot glug it. He first experiences stiffness in his neck and later in his entire body, followed by death. Question है what advice would you give to a person bitten by a mad dog? So answer we advise him to rush immediately to a doctor and take injection from the doctor. How will you know whether dog is mad or not? So answer is ka mad dog keeps his head down, brings out his tongue, breath heavily and saliva falls from its tongue. Tails of mad dog swings underlie. Through these symptoms, we can identify that a dog is mad. To which country did Louis belong to? किससे बिलोंग करता है? तो लुइस बिलोंग्स टू फ्रांस, फ्रांस से बिलोंग करता है। चलिए आगे देखते हैं। How was a person bitten by a mad dog treated in older days? So answer है in ancient times, if a man happened to be bitten by a mad dog, was taken to a blacksmith for treatment. Blacksmith used to burn the wound with a hot iron rod. Why was Louis called the savior of mankind, and what do you understand by it? Do you agree with what said about Pasteur? So answer है, before the discovery of Louis Pasteur, most of the people died due to dog bites, and some died due to the painful treatment. In this situation, the vaccine developed by Louis Pasteur proved to be a boon for the people bitten by mad dog. Nowadays, also people bitten by mad dog are inoculated to prevent from rabies. Thus, it is true that the Louis is the savior of mankind. Explain what is inoculation. So answer है, inoculation is that medicine which is given to a person to help prevent the occurrence of that disease. For example, inoculated for treatment and polio drops. A small number of grams are injected into human body. The red cells present in the body fight the germs and develop immunity against them. In future, if ever polio germs attack our body, these cells fight these germs and protect us from disease. Go to a nearby hospital and find out if anti-rabies injections is available or not. So answer yes, anti-rabies injection is available in government hospitals and the private nursing homes of our city. Find out different medicines given to a person bitten by a mad dog. So answer है anti-rabies injections, tetanus injections, and the pain relieving tablets are given to a person bitten by a mad dog. You have read there how Louis Pasteur discovered the rabies vaccination. Read and make a report of any other scientist and his discovery. So answer है penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. It was the first antibiotic. It is used for the treatment of wounds on the body and for the treatment of infections. The story of the discovery of penicillin is very interesting. One day, Fleming was doing some experiment in a pet- petri dish when he saw some fungus grown in it. Bacteria die in the place of where fungus is grown in the petri dish. He saw that the fungus is Penicillium notatum. He found that the bacteria of disease die by the juice of this fungi. This way he discovered penicillin. इसी के साथ लेसन समाप्त हो रहा है बच्चों। नीचे लाल रंग का ये बटन दिखाई दे, इसे जरूर दबा के सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट्स करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करें जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके। और इस बेल आइकन को दबा लें जिससे मैं नया वीडियो डालूं उसका नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत मिल सके। मेरा चैनल देखने के लिए आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत थैंक्स। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। मिलता हूँ नए वीडियो में, तब तक थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।